Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring how to perform auto count in PlanSwift. So this helps us to eliminate manual counting or doing repetitive work over and over again. So for example, we are going to be measuring or takeoff for the flood drains that we have in this drawing. So instead of counting one after the other, we are going to ask PlanSwift to do that for us by activating the auto count tool and also selecting icon representing what we are to measure. So with all being said, let's get straight into it. So the first thing to do is just to come to settings, you come to interface, and we come to show auto count tool. So go back to home. So we have our auto count here. So what we need to do now is we are going to be taking off for flood drains. So we have our flood drains here. So we activate auto count now. So select the color. So let's say red. The icon, let's say okay. Plus. So what are we measuring? Flood drain. So we come to pick sample. So this is what we are taking off for. So we come to next. So we are going to be showing PlanSwift the area we want our auto count to be done. So the area where we have what you're going to be taking off for. Remember, we selected the icon. So we are going to be specifying the area. So this is the area I have my flood drains. So I'll click next. So I'm going to be selecting the icon representing what I am about to take off for. So if you check, we have this is flood drain FD. This we have here again, and this I think that's all. So we'll click place. As you can see, PlanSwift has done the work for us. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 total number of flood drains that we have 4, and that's it for today, and I'll see you shortly. You're welcome.